never know just how much I care. I just can't hide my love from you. A million or more times you went away and my heart went with you. I speak your name in my every breath. If there is some other way to prove that I love you, I swear I don't know how. You'll never know if you don't know now. Don't know now. Don't